In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint Slide Master. This is a fantastic feature for creating more consistent and visually appealing presentations with ease. We'll walk through the steps together, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open up PowerPoint on your computer. It's a staple program for creating professional grade presentations, whether for work, school, or any other occasion where you need to share information in a structured and engaging manner. Once you have PowerPoint open, locate your saved presentation file and open it. This will allow us to make adjustments to your existing slides. If you're starting fresh without an existing file, that's perfectly fine too. You can create a new one and follow along as we dive in. Now that you've got your PowerPoint presentation open, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the View tab in the PowerPoint interface. You'll find this tab along the top of your window, nestled between the Review and Add-ins tabs. Clicking on View opens up a range of options relating to how you, view your presentation. Next, you're going to want to click on Slide Master. This is your gateway to making global changes to your entire presentation. Think of the Slide Master as the head chef in a kitchen, where the chef sets the standard for all the dishes being prepared. By working with the Slide Master, you can ensure that all your slides follow the same design rules without having to tweak each slide individually. Now within the Slide Master view, you'll see a series of slides displayed in a column on the left-hand side of your screen. These are your slide layouts. Go ahead and click on the first slide in this column. This particular slide is the actual Slide Master slide, and any changes you make here will cascade down through the rest of the slides. Here's where the magic happens. This is the stage where you can set your logo or watermark. This is particularly useful if you're sending the presentation out to clients or colleagues and want to ensure your company branding is visible on each slide. Adding a logo is simple. Just go to the Insert tab, select Picture, and follow the prompts to add the image of your choice. Adjust it as needed to suit your design requirements. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made in Slide Master, it's time to close out of this view. Click on Close Master View, which you'll find on the far right end of the Slide Master tool options. This will take you back to your presentation equipped with your new globally applied designs and elements. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've efficiently used the Slide Master to ensure your presentation is cohesive and polished from top to bottom. Keep practicing with the Slide Master and you'll find that creating uniform professional presentations becomes a breeze.